Hello guys, I am Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 3 very good opportunities for freshers and candidates with 0 to 2 year of experience. In this video, I will be covering quick overview of responsibilities, qualifications, salary and locations. So make sure to watch till the end. The first company is Hevo Data and they are hiring for the role of SDE1. This is a full-time on-site role in Bangalore under the backend engineering team. In case you don't know Hevo Data, this company automates the data integration by moving the data from over 150 sources into a real-time data warehouse. Now let's talk about salary because I know that's what most of you are waiting for. The expected total CTC for a fresher SDE1 at Hevo Data ranges between 20 to 30 LPA. Reports suggest that around 22 LPA is the base salary plus bonuses and ESOPs. Now, what will you actually do in this role? As an SDE1, you will work on implementing SaaS connectors for different applications. Basically, you will build integrations that extract data from other platforms and bring into Hevo's system. You will assist in building REST API components, write clean and testable code, debug and optimize data pipelines, and contribute to documentation and feature implementation. They are looking for someone with strong fundamentals in OOPS, knowledge of REST APIs, and proficiency in Java, TypeScript, or Python language. You should also be comfortable with data structures and algorithms because logical thinking is very important for this role. Eligibility wise, they prefer BTech in computer science or equivalent from a reputed college, and 0 to 1 year of experience is acceptable. So freshers and recent graduates can apply. If you are strong in DSA and want to enter a product-based company with a high salary package, this is a strong opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The company is Binated and they are hiring for the role of UI UX designer. This role is in Pune and this is a full-time permanent on-site role. So you will be working from the Pune office. They are looking for creative and enthusiastic freshers who are passionate about designing user-friendly digital experiences. In this role, you will design user interfaces for web and mobile applications. You will create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes using tools like Figma and Adobe XD. You will conduct basic user research and collaborate with developers to ensure your designs are properly implemented. To apply for this role, you should have a bachelor's degree in design, computer science, IT, or a related field. You should understand basic design principles, typography, and color theory. If you know basics of HTML, CSS, or responsive designs, that's a plus. Having a portfolio with your academic or personal design projects will increase your chances significantly. They also provide benefits like Provident Fund, leave encashment, overtime pay, shift allowance, and yearly bonus. Now, coming to the third opportunity, this one is in data domain. The company is Cencora and they are hiring for Analyst 1 Data in Pune. This is a full-time role under the IT category. Cencora is a global healthcare company, so this role is more focused on business intelligence and healthcare data analytics. As per the demand, I got this opportunity and I thought to share it with you. In this position, you will perform data analysis to generate business insights, you will build dashboards, develop visual reports, identify trends in data, and support business intelligence solutions. You will also work with tools like Tableau, Power BI, Alteryx, ClickSense, and SQL. So if you are interested in analytics, this role gives you a strong exposure to BI tools. Eligibility wise, they require a bachelor's degree in statistics, computer science, IT, or a related field. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, so freshers with early professionals can apply. Preferred certifications include Power BI Data Analyst Associate or Tableau certification, but these are not mandatory. If you enjoy working with data, dashboards, and business insights instead of coding full time, this role can be a very good career path. So, yeah, these were the 3 quick opportunities. So, make sure to check out them by using the link in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications on. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.